All right, now let's take a look at this example where it tells us to evaluate x cubed if x is equal to -5. When we see something like this, we want to evaluate x cubed, and we're given a value of x here. That x is -5. So what we have to do is just replace that x with a -5. So this becomes -5 to the third power. And now we can expand that out, right? That's just -5 times -5 times -5. And if we go ahead and do that math, -5 times -5 times -5, well, that gives us a -125. Now we also will have cases where we have exponential forms that include parentheses, all right? So where we have to add, subtract inside those parentheses. So we don't want to forget our order of operations. All right, so first off, let's take a look at this -3 to the fourth power. In this case, that -3, that's not inside a set of parentheses, right? So here, we just have this 3 to the power of 4. That's the only thing the exponent goes with, is this 3. It doesn't apply to that negative sign, all right? So it just goes with the 3. So here, we say that we have a base of 3, and our exponent is 4. So when we want to expand and simplify, we can write that as a negative, because that goes out front. That didn't get attached with that exponent of 4. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And then there we go. If we want to simplify that, that will just become -81. Now we have -3 to the fourth power. All right, well, we saw from that example we did 2 problems ago that if you have a negative number inside a set of parentheses raised to a power, that negative sign is included in your base. So here, our base is going to be a -3, and that exponent is still 4. So if we want to expand and simplify this, so we have a base of -3, exponent of 4. If we expand and simplify, we get -3 times -3 times -3 times -3, and that gives us a positive 81 compared to our first problem where it was a -81. Now here are the last 2. I want you to go ahead and try this on your own. Go ahead, pause the video, try it out, and then come back and we can watch the rest, see if you got the correct answer. All right, so in this problem number 3, we have 1 plus 5 squared, where our 1 plus 5 is inside a set of parentheses. So here we have to follow our order of operations, all right? Parentheses come first, so we want to simplify everything inside those parentheses. 1 plus 5, that's equal to 6. So now we have 6 squared. So here our base is now 6 with an exponent of 2. So we have to expand and simplify. That's 6 times 6, which is equal to 36. And now for problem 4, we have 1 plus 5 squared, but our 1 plus 5 is not in a set of parentheses. So here, that exponent is only attached to the 5. So that's our base, 5. And we have an exponent of 2. So now, if we were to expand and simplify, we still have to keep this 1 around, right? We still have to keep that there. So we have 1 plus 5 squared, which is 5 times 5. And if we simplify that, that's 1 plus 25, which gives us 26. And there you have it.